Good evening, sir. I am Suparna Dey, the assistant teacher of biology of the Assembly of God Church School, Haldia, West Bengal. I completed the Google Certified Educator course under you, and I must say that the journey was awesome. Your handholding throughout, immense patience, and guidance have helped me to gain a thorough knowledge and has definitely upgraded me as a teacher. We have been using Google Workspace in our school, sir, since COVID, but after completing the course, I came to know how much I actually didn't know. Uh, Thank you, sir, for your guidance. I feel privileged to get connected with you and sincerely thank you for this comprehensive course. Thank you, sir, once again.